thought of another idea associated with that. Video games.
Hey now, August 17th, approximately 8 p.m. We're here at Pershing Square. Everything is calm and peaceful and beautiful and lovely. There's some film crew across the street. People, Asian B is back. Louisiana's out of jail. Everything's good and lovely and beautiful. So just checking in. I'll probably stop streaming in like a second. So this is a quick check-in to document the peacefulness here. Sometimes we have to document peacefulness.
Otherwise, we don't know if it really exists.
Yeah, but this is over here. Occupy LA all week, all day.
All week, all day.
Alright, so I'm gonna stop streaming now, but I'll be here all week, all day, Occupy LA.